Hi, my name is Alex and I'll be your instructor guide for this tutorial series. As you saw in the preview video and you know already what we are going to build. So we will build those VFX elements from the very basic, like how to create fire, smoke, dust, debris and chart simulations, everything from the very basic. And to follow this tutorial you just need to know the user interface. That's it, because I'm going to show you from the very step by step and it will be a project based learning. And for the plugin part we are going to use the TypeFlow and Bure, and for the compositing part we are going to use the industry standard software called Nuke. And you don't need to know anything about Nuke, and even if you have never used Nuke before, I'll just guide you from the importing image sequence and merging images and color correction, then finally at the exporting. And your Nuke session will be like a first day in Nuke. So everything will be very basic, and the preview video may seem complicated, but in reality it's just easy. Just trust me. I would like to see you in the course inside.